Okay, 3.4 in this unit is continuing on the 3.4 of the quadratic formula. We just look at one detail, something called the discriminant. Okay, before we go into that, we need one of the skill that to understand the thing. Solve this kind of linear inequality. So linear means the variable doesn't have a square root, it's just x. The exponent is 1. So how to solve this one? Just be careful when you have a negative for x, right? So let me show the solution and then explain. Okay, so you get this first, and then you always try to do the same thing on both sides. See, if you subtract 18, so 18 is gone from the left side and then appear on the right side. And then you divide by -4, and when you divide by -4, you have to reverse the inequality sign, right? Then you get x should be greater than 9/2. Okay, and actually in a different way, if you want to do to avoid the negative dividing by negative number, you can do this way. So you can plus 4x in the first place, plus 4x. So 4x will disappear from left side, and then will appear on the right side. So you get 18 less than 4x. If then divided by 4, you don't have to reverse the inequality sign, you would get exactly same answer. Okay, so if you can do this, and then we shouldn't have a problem. Okay, basically this unit, this section is talking about, look at this full quadratic formula. So one of the complicated thing is there is a radical expression, and then for there's three cases. So if the b squared minus 4ac, which is called the discriminant, if the discriminant is greater than 0, so you can imagine if this is greater than 0, and then the plus minus the radical, it should be a number. Okay, it should be a real number, and then we should have two solutions, right? Negative b plus minus a number. So you should have two solutions. One is negative b plus this. The other solution is negative b minus this. Of course, you need to divide by 2a. That's one case. We actually can look at it from here. That's the example. You can go through yourself. We just gotta jump to this idea. So yeah, the second case is, what if you make the discriminant b squared minus 4ac equals 0? And look back here, if this one equals 0, so there's no difference, you plus minus 0, right? So that means you still have two solutions. If you think that's the way it is, okay, and you can plus minus 0, but these two solutions, they're identical. So basically you just have one solution, so you should have exactly one real root when the discriminant equals 0. And then the last case is, what happens if you have the discriminant less than 0, and then you cannot have a negative number as a radicand, and then it would not produce a real number for the radical, and then we see we do not have real roots, we do not have real solutions. Okay, but we still have like imaginary numbers, so that's something we do not cover in this course for now.